Your business is unique, so you should have a CRM solution that works the way you work, not the other way around. Sage Sales Logics gives you unmatched flexibility in how you deploy, use, and pay for a CRM solution that helps you drive up productivity and accelerate your business success. Great customer relationships are the driving force behind your company's success. Acquire and grow more profitable customer relationships by putting the rich customer information and productivity tools your sales, marketing, and support teams need at their fingertips. When your team is at its peak performance, you can fuel stronger campaigns, close more deals, and work together to give your customers the best possible experience with Sage Sales Logics. Your customer information is your most important asset. Sage Sales Logics puts you in the driver's seat when it comes to managing your customer information. Exceptional ease of use and more personalized experiences means high adoption, whether in the office or on the road using remote or mobile solutions. Industry-leading integration increases productivity by providing a holistic view of all customer interactions, and powerful reporting and analytics solutions provide actionable insights to plan the path forward. Plus, with the sophisticated security features, you can rest assured that your information is always safe and secure. Your business is unique. Sage Sales Logics gives you the flexibility to customize your CRM solution to fit the way you do business, now and in the future. Drive the highest possible ROI with a state-of-the-art technology platform that lets you customize and deploy your CRM solution on premises or in the cloud. Plus, stay in control with flexible payment options that meet your financial goals. You're in control, but we're here with expert support and a global ecosystem of Sage business partners to help you achieve your goals and maximize your investment. Sage Sales Logics gives you CRM without compromise. Your relationships, your information, your CRM. Start your free trial today here.